Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, April 17. It's 4:34 p.m. It's about a half hour after the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on my right and on my left, the time and sales settlement trades going off at around 2900. It was a pretty decent day for the auto trader today. First up is the NASDAQ on a 987 tick line break chart. And this got whipped around early on with several losing trades that were absorbed, and the drawdown here was $800 or $400 per contract. And then we came back with several winners in a row here, here, and here, and we managed to come up to 1270. Our goal is 1300, so we definitely hit our goal, and we use a market order when we hit our goal, so we had a little bit of slippage here. So pretty nice comeback with a drawdown of 400 per contract. Okay, the DAX on a Super Inco 6-tick using our Step MA filter started off with a loser, and this drawdown was about $550. And then we came back with two winners in a row, and you can see them here, and we finished at 1687. The goal on this is 1500. So we had strong positive slippage at the close of this trade. Okay, this is a new chart, first time showing. Instead of 5 Renko, I went to 6 Renko, and this has a higher time frame filter of 6 Renko with a higher sensitivity. The 6 Renko higher time frame has a sensitivity of 2, while the base chart has a sensitivity of 1. Basically what that means is the colored background sensitivity is not as sensitive to the change in trend. That's why you see the blue bars here on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame we didn't have blue bar. The blue bars ended here and the red bars began on the higher time frame here, where on the lower time frame we had the red bars ending here and then a couple of blue bars, while the higher time frame did not trigger a reversal. So on this chart we had a very small drawdown, just a couple of ticks loser here, less than $100, and then two winning trades back to back and finished at 775. The goal on this one is 800. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 4-tick, and this looks like to be a 60-minute higher time frame, and indeed it is. And this has a goal of 1,050. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 6-tick that starts trading at 12:30 noon. Here's our start time, and this has long been a very consistent chart and very low risk because it's only trading for a few hours of the session. This had two winning trades back to back and finished at 600. The goal on this is 750. Okay, the DAX on a 150 Heikin-Ashi chart drew down about $600 or 300 per contract. This is using our opening range filter here, so this avoided some whipsaws and came back from its drawdown, made an equity high of about 1,000 here, and then had a losing trade here and settled at 550. The E-mini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart looks like it had a single trade here of a single short trade and finished at $400 below its goal of 1,000, but just a single trade, 400, pretty good. Okay, the ES on a Super Inco 4-tick with a higher time frame filter of Super Inco 4, and again the higher and lower sensitivity on these charts can work out pretty good. So this had two trades, a winner and a loser, and so we made an equity high of about 450 and settled at 225. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 4-tick with a higher time frame of Superenco 6 has a goal of 850 and had a modest gain of 212.50. This also had a equity high of about 400 and then had a second small loser and settled at 212.50. Okay, once again, the bonds on a 150 tick line break chart finish positive with modest gain. I think I'm going to try this without the opening range filter, as these are all tradable swings, and I think this could do well without the filter, so I'm going to try that tomorrow. That's all for today.